welcome to Foster Comedy Presents a bunch of stuff. Everything from health and wellness to random weirdness. Today we're going to be talking about pain relief. So stick around and let's dive right in. Hey, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe or don't. That's totally your prerogative. This is more of a quick fix solution and by no means a replacement for seeing a doctor, going to a physical therapist, or a chiropractor. This is just something that you can use anywhere you are pretty much whenever you're feeling a tension buildup or a lot of chronic pain in a specific area. So, number one is isolation. Isolate the specific place where you're feeling this pain. Everything is connected, so it's hard to just isolate that one area. So touching an area, visualizing it, you really want to dive into a muscle-mind connection here. So let's say you want to isolate the muscles in your neck. You need to also notice the positioning of your upper back when you're doing this, because if you just drop your neck back, you'll feel like tightness or crunchiness because the top of your back is still rounded forward, so everything can't fully extend backwards. But if you drop your shoulders back, start to neutralize your spine first before you drop your neck back, then you can go in a deeper extension without it feeling uncomfortable. Same thing with other parts of your body. If you're going to do a stretch of your upper back, it's good to neutralize your cervical spine and your lumbar spine before going into a chest extension. So just remember to be in as neutral a position with everything else in your body before you go in to the next step of activating that muscle. So that is number one, isolation. Number two, activation. You want a nice, strong activation of this muscle. You really want to crank it to 11. You want to hold the muscle at full tension until the point where you almost feel the muscle start to tremble and shake. You want to be taking nice, deep breaths, like 3 to 5. Don't just hold your breath. Your muscles need oxygen. Let it go, and you'll feel instantly better. Find neutrality in the rest of your spine, baby. I'll be putting some links to some articles below if you want to read up on this before, and also by all means please consult your doctor before you just go out and start doing stuff that you've never done before. Let me know in the comments below if you found this information helpful, and please share it with your family and friends, anyone that you know could benefit from some instant pain relief from chronic pain. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Hey. Will hurt you.